What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comments section of my videos. There's a lot of spam and scammers trying to take your money. Guys, I don't have a WhatsApp, so I would never ask you to WhatsApp me. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. Be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want 6 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 6 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put 1 penny in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. So after the video, I want you to go down to the description box of the video, click on that Webull link, open up your new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. So I'm perusing through YouTube this morning and ran across a YouTuber by the name of Clear Value Tax. And he made a compelling argument of why Bitcoin could go to $12,000. So I started really listening to this guy, and man, I tell you what, his argument was pretty convincing. And here's what the argument basically was. There's a guy by the name of Michael Saylor. He owns a company called MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor basically leveraged his company in order to borrow $4 billion to buy Bitcoin. And I believe, if I'm correct here, his average price per coin, I believe was, I want to say $30,000 or $31,000. It could be a little bit more. So you guys fact check me on that. But nevertheless, he leveraged his company in order to borrow this money to buy Bitcoin. Now his company, MicroStrategy, is valued at about $2.5 billion. But remember, he borrowed $4 billion. Now when you borrow money and you use an asset to secure that loan, you guys know I've spent 25 years as a commercial banker, so I have a little bit of experience around this because I made a lot of loans to a lot of people, and we secured those loans with all type of collateral. Sometimes we secured the loans with real estate, sometimes we secured the loans with marketable securities, and sometimes we secured the loans with the borrower's company. In each loan agreement, there are things in there called loan covenants. If someone or a lender lends you money and you use an asset, they put in the loan agreement that if that asset falls below a certain dollar amount, they have the right to force you to liquidate that asset. And the key here is force you to liquidate the asset. And in Michael Saylor's case, if he's forced to liquidate the Bitcoin that he purchased with the $4 billion, that's where there could be a problem. There could be a trigger point of around $20,000 a coin. And if that's the case, if it falls below $20,000 a coin, Michael Saylor's lender could force him to liquidate his crypto portfolio. And if that happens, if you know anything about liquidation, when anything is liquidated, you don't get fair market value for it. You get liquidated value. And in this case, he wouldn't get $20,000 a coin. The lender wouldn't get $20,000 a coin. The lender is going to get less than that. And that's where the problem lies for Bitcoin, because if $4 billion worth of Bitcoin is forced liquidated, that's going to drive down the price of Bitcoin tremendously. And that's where a $12,000 projected target. If that happens, guys, wow, that is really going to rock the cryptocurrency space. Again, guys, I'm no expert in cryptocurrency. I'm giving you my opinion based on someone else's opinion. But I thought that was a pretty interesting video he did, and it made a lot of sense. Guys, I didn't do it justice, so I'm going to ask you, go over the clear value tax, take a look at the video, and you come up with your own conclusions. But based on what I heard, the guy really did lay out a pretty good argument for the crash of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin going to $12,000. Bitcoin drops to a certain dollar amount. The lender does have the right to require the borrower liquidate. And if the borrower doesn't liquidate, then what happens is the lender will file suit against the borrower. If that happens, wow, what an opportunity for myself. What an opportunity for you to grab Bitcoin at $12,000. Even if it hit 14,000, 16,000, is still a tremendous opportunity. When you think about less than a year ago, it hit an all-time high, I believe around $65,000, $67,000 a coin, which is incredible. And most people are saying, what's happening? What's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with Ethereum? Well, what's going on with it is high inflation, slowing economy, recession, Federal Reserve increasing short-term interest rates to bring inflation down. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Our government decided to, flood the market with free money when the pandemic broke out. And I'm not judging, guys. I'm not saying I'm for or against that. I'm just telling you what happened. They flooded the market with free money in order to make it through this pandemic. And then what happens is at some point, you have to take that free money back out of our financial system. And that's what's happening now with the Federal Reserve, with their tightening and raising interest rates. And that's what's happening. They're just having to take that money back out of the system. And what happens is anytime interest rates go up, assets typically, especially the stock market, goes down, right? Goes down. So anytime interest rates go down, assets go up. Why? Because people can borrow money cheaply to buy assets. When it's too expensive to buy assets, they go down. That's it. That's what's happening. So again, guys, drop me some comments. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin going to $12,000. What do you think about Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy being forced into liquidating their $4 billion Bitcoin portfolio? Wow, if that happens, man, yeah, that will tank Bitcoin for a while. It will temporarily decrease it down to perhaps $12,000. And if it does, I'm buying. Well, all right, guys, if you want those 6 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open up your new account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.